Open licensing, the game changer in digital marketing. Listen up, entrepreneurs and marketers. The digital landscape is changing. You need every advantage to win. Open licensing is that advantage. It's a game changer. Imagine a world overflowing with free, high-quality content. That's the power of open licensing. Open licensing grants you permission to use content. Think images, music, even software. You can use it without worrying about copyright issues. This opens up a world of possibilities. You can create unique, engaging content without breaking the bank. Think of it like this. Open licensing is like having a massive library at your fingertips. You can use the books, learn from them, and even create your own stories. It's about collaboration, innovation, and pushing boundaries. This is huge for digital marketing. It allows you to compete with the big players. You don't need a massive budget. You just need to be smart, creative, and understand the power of open licensing. No copyright? No problem. Unleashing the power of free content. Copyright can be a pain. It's confusing and restrictive, but there's a way around it. Open licensing is the answer. It allows you to use copyrighted material. Just follow the license terms. These terms are usually simple. You might need to give credit. It's a small price for a treasure trove of content. Use stunning images for your website. Find perfect music for your videos. Use open source software to power your business. All without spending a dime on licensing fees. B. Partner up for success. Open licensing in collaborative campaigns. Collaboration is key in the digital age. Open licensing makes it easier than ever to partner with other businesses and creators. You can share resources, co-create content, and reach new audiences. Imagine this. You're launching a new product. You partner with an influencer who loves your brand. They create amazing content using your product and open licensed materials. Their audience is exposed to your brand. You gain new customers. Everyone wins. Open licensing also allows you to tap into the power of user-generated content. Encourage your customers to create content using your products and open licensed materials. This is a great way to build community, generate buzz, and get people talking about your brand. Remember, collaboration is not about competition. It's about working together to achieve common goals. Open licensing provides the framework for successful and mutually beneficial partnerships. Monetizing creativity. Turning open resources into revenue streams. Now, let's talk about money. You might be thinking, if it's free, how can I make money from it? Here's the thing. Open licensing doesn't mean you can't profit from your work. It just means you're using resources that are free to use and adapt. You can still sell products and services that incorporate open licensed content. You can create and sell derivative works. You can even offer premium versions of your products with additional features or content. Think of it like this. You're a chef. You use open source recipes as inspiration. You add your own unique twist, creating a signature dish. You then sell that dish in your restaurant. You're not selling the recipe. You're selling your creativity and expertise. The same principle applies to open licensing. You're not limited to giving away your work for free. You can still build a successful business around open licensed content. Section 5. Influencers take note. Open licensing for authentic engagement. Influencer marketing is all about authenticity. People want to connect with real people who share their values. Open licensing can help you create more genuine and engaging content. How? By giving you access to a wider range of creative resources. You can find images and music that resonate with your audience. You can use open source tools to create stunning visuals and videos. This allows you to focus on what matters most, connecting with your audience. You don't have to worry about copyright issues or expensive licensing fees. You can pour your heart and soul into creating content that truly resonates. Remember, authenticity is key to building trust and credibility. Open licensing gives you the freedom to be yourself and create content that reflects your unique voice and perspective. Section 6. E-commerce revolution. Open licensing for product development and marketing. E-commerce businesses. Listen up. Open licensing can revolutionize your operations. Use open source software to build your store. Find high-quality product images and descriptions. Use open designs to create unique products. This is a game changer for small businesses. Compete with big players affordably. Offer a wide range of products without starting from scratch. Find amazing designs under open licenses. Customize them to make them your own. Print and sell on your website. Create unique products without hiring a designer. Be agile and responsive to market trends. Adapt quickly to changing demands and bring new products to market faster. Section 7. Picture Perfect. Open licensed images for social media domination. Social media is a visual medium. You need eye-catching images to stand out from the crowd. Open licensing gives you access to a vast library of high-quality images. You can use these images for your posts, stories, and ads. No more boring stock photos. You can find unique, creative images that reflect your brand personality. You can even edit and adapt these images to fit your specific needs. Imagine this. You're running a promotion for your new line of organic skincare products. You find a stunning image of a woman surrounded by nature. You use this image in your social media ads, targeting people interested in natural beauty products. The result? Your ads are more likely to grab attention and generate clicks. Open licensing allows you to create visually appealing social media campaigns that drive results. Section 8. Winning with openness. Success stories of open licensed businesses. Don't just take my word for it. There are countless examples of businesses that have achieved massive success using open licensing. Take Wikipedia, for example. It's the world's largest encyclopedia, built entirely on open licensed content. Or consider Mozilla Firefox, the popular web browser that's completely open source. These are just a few examples of how open licensing is changing the game. By embracing openness, these companies have created products and services that are used by millions of people worldwide. The takeaway? Open licensing is not just a trend, it's the future of business. By embracing openness, you can unlock incredible opportunities for growth and innovation. Section 9. Playing by the rules. Legal considerations and best practices. Now, before you go wild with open licensing, there are a few things you need to know. While open licensing gives you more freedom, it's important to understand the rules. First, not all licenses are created equal. Some licenses have specific requirements, such as attribution or share alike. Make sure you understand the terms of the license before using any content. Second, always double-check the license. Just because something is available online doesn't mean it's open licensed. Look for a license statement or Creative Commons designation. Finally, when in doubt, ask for permission. It's always better to be safe than sorry. If you're unsure about the terms of a license, reach out to the creator or copyright holder for clarification. By following these simple guidelines, you can ensure that you're using open licensed content legally and ethically. Section 10. Embrace openness. Unleash potential. The future of digital marketing. The future of digital marketing is open. Open licensing is here to stay. It's time to embrace this change and unlock the incredible potential it holds. Imagine a world where businesses collaborate freely, sharing resources and ideas. Imagine a world where creativity knows no bounds, fueled by a wealth of open licensed content. This is the future we can create together. By embracing open licensing, we can level the playing field, empower small businesses, and foster a more collaborative and innovative digital landscape. It's time to break free from the limitations of traditional copyright and unleash the full potential of open licensing in digital marketing. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of open licensing today and discover the endless possibilities it holds for your business. The future is open. Are you in?